Today is the day, Sparrow.
The day for what, Mom?
Today is the day we get that thing taken out for way less than $4,000. I found a guy in Phoenix that's going to do it for around $300. He might even be able to keep my AC intact in the front of the van. The whole thing is that when they took the heater out, everything stopped working. I don't know why it did, but when I called the original bus company that took the heater out and charged me $800 for it, they said, oh, we didn't do anything. All we did was touch a heater, da da da. Well, that's not the case. They did something. So, but today we're gonna get this out. So that's all I care about. So cheers to that. I have to get on the road soon, so let's get this show on the road. We're in Phoenix and there's traffic. Where are we going? Would you like to go for a ride? Where are we? We're gonna go for a ride. I love you so much and your cute little head tilts. German Shepherds are the best.
I know, Mom.
All right, here we are in industrial land. I think that's where I need to go. Right there. Okay, we made it. We're at the big door. Now she's in the shop. We're gonna get the AC out. Yay! This is SCHETKY Bus and Van Sales. They're located in Tucson, Arizona, right around Phoenix, and you can find their link in the caption. But look at all the buses that are in here. They had Sprinter vans, they had Ford buses. I am just perplexed at all the different shapes and sizes they had. And of course, they were kind enough to let Sparrow run around the shop. And also check out the other buses they had in the garage. That's not our house.
Why not?
That's not house. No. Maybe it's this one. Come here. Look. That's not the house either. This. What about this? Is that it? That's not a house.
Well, can we go in it, Mom?
Where are we?
No, but we should go in it, Mom.
You think you want to go inside everyone, huh? These buses are all dream homes for me. And probably Sparrow, too. Well, except for that one. I'll never drive a Dodge again. He's already made best friends with Clint, the guy who's working on our van. Somewhere over there. Is that your new best friend?
That's my new best friend.
Okay. You gotta wait. You gotta stay away from him. Let him do his work.
I don't like that, Mom.
You gotta wait, okay?
Aw, Mom.
Stay right here by the heater. Ready? Getting that thing out is gonna take a little bit of time, so let's go for a walk in the industrial park. These chemtrails, y'all. Look at what that doing. Look at them all. Look at them all. I did record this massive drone that was over there, but of course, my phone decided it wasn't going to record at that moment, right? Now, don't freak out. Those are Amazon drones that do deliveries in the local area. Not to be confused with the ones people have been seeing over Jersey, because apparently Clint sees these all the time here. You got it. Back to the shop. Also, Sparrow keeps seeing a dog in the reflection. And he keeps looking in there.
What's that dog doing in there? Maybe he wants to play with the ball with me.
What are you doing, Sparrow Dog?
Mommy, I got the ball. Mommy says I have to be a good boy and wait, so I'll play with the ball by myself.
Shut the f*** up! Here it is. I can't tell you how many times I've bumped my head on this piece of shit. And it's gone now. Air conditioner. Here he is, you guys. This is Clint Briggs, the shop foreman of SCHETKY Bus Sales. And he is my hero. You're probably wondering, like, why was it such a big deal to get that AC out? In a prior video, I hit my head on it, and that was not the first time. That is a repeated offense, and it was enough to make me hate that thing. It was a useless piece of crap anyway. Like, if it had still given me AC, that would be one thing, but it wasn't doing anything. Now that I have this big space, The reason I wanted it out so bad is so that I can complete this ceiling. Now we're gonna have wood slats. It's gonna look much more like a home in here. I'm gonna go for the whole cabin vibe feel. It's just gonna make it a little bit more cozy, and I will be able to get this inner lining plastic out. It's editing money, and just kidding. That's another thing about the ceiling in this van, that it's not gonna happen the way I want it to. Insulate the fiberglass on the outside. There are steel crossbars across the top that I'll be able to use for supports for the ceiling. That is why we are so excited that it is out, especially for such an affordable price, because that means I can put money into other places, like that ceiling. Woohoo! Now it's lunchtime in the van because I have a cooking space now. Toasted a bagel on my cast iron skillet. Now I've added some hummus to it, and I'm gonna pile on some cucumbers and eat it like that. That one I already took a bite of because it's delicious.
I would like some, Mom.
Of course you're gonna have some. Always. You always get a part of everything I eat, unless it's not healthy for dogs.
That's right, Mom.
Well, it's morning time, which means I'm making the van ready for rolling. And that is because I'm buying a solar panel today. A massive solar panel. Actually, I don't know what I'm gonna buy, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a 400 something watt. What do you think, Sparrow? We're gonna get a big solar panel?
Yes.
Okay, good boy. All right, so you're in the way, but that's okay. So I made these beautiful window covers. They have mushrooms on them. Look at that. Just look at how cute they are. They have little squirrels and skulls and mushrooms. Also, they have mushrooms, and I think there's like a little frog somewhere. Where's the little frog? The frog? Can you see the frog? The frog. Anyway, the other side, this is a tab, so like I can pull it out of the window, and also I probably will make a tab of duct tape around the entire side just for light leaks. That way I can be super stealth. These windows, I'm really lucky. They're very, very tinted. So having these in there, it just looks like it's blacked out. It just looks like it's a really dark tint. It looks like the side windows that I plasti dipped. I have 2 of these. I also have another 2 of these panels that are duct tape on one side and cloth on the other for the 2 side doors. So now that I've taken that down, we're ready to roll. I'm gonna cover Sparrow with pillows. Oh my God, you're so cute. Okay, I'm gonna cover Sparrow with the pillows. Ready, Sparrow? Say bye-byes. Where'd Sparrow go?
I'm not having that, Mom. That's not okay.
Oh, baby, it's okay. Are you okay?
Mommy tried to kill me with the pillows.
I did not.
You tried to suffocate me.
I did not, Sparrow. Stop. Okay. If you wouldn't mind just getting... okay. Well, that's your butt. Yep. You can't sit on me. That hurts, honey. What are you doing? Ouch. Go on.
Okay, I'll get down, Mom.
Thank you. And then we're just gonna put these pillows over here so that I have some sort of like visuals out the back, but I'll let you in on a little secret. I can't see anything when I back up. I made the bed pretty high. And I'm realizing without this air conditioner here, I could have bunk beds if I wanted. Bunk beds. I'm standing on the bed with a hair on top of my head bun, and I'm not hitting my head. Yay! Over here I've got like all kinds of wood. I have wood in my bed. Why do I have wood in my bed? I will show you. Let's talk about it. There's wood under my bed, in my bed. Ceiling panels right there. There's 2 packs of that. We're gonna get more. And then there's trim. Isn't trim just beautiful? It has leaves in it. And then we have some 2x2s for building a tool kind of shed under the garage, which is under the bed, and more furring strips and more all kinds of stuff, and a big board to like finish off the countertops that are going to be live edge. That's a whole story. That's what's happening. So that's why there's wood in my bed. We're on our way to Santan Sola. They're only open 2 days a week, but it's a pretty view, huh? What a nice drive. The 202 in Phoenix. Gorgeous. Look at everyone, there's a big solar panel on the back where the AC used to be. I know, it doesn't make sense, but it's going on the roof. Isn't that awesome? And V helped us get it in, and now there's a van coming, so we have to move. Okay, bye. It's time for a celebratory meal and Christmas tunes right under the speaker at Culver's. What are we gonna get? I got free lemonade because I got a cup for water. I got a butter cake concrete mixer, and then I got mashed potatoes and gravy. Let's see what it looks like. Don't worry about my dirty hands. I've been shopping all day. Look at that. It smells amazing. Ba-rum-pa-bum-bum. so jealous of V's sandwich right now. Look at that. Massive. What? I really should not be driving at night. I literally just took a left turn down the wrong lane. Like right into oncoming traffic. You know, there was like a median in the way and I did not see the median. It was dark. I had my glasses on, but no, just the median looked like it was the curb of the other side of the road. So I just went down and then I realized, oh, what's happening? And then I had like this like whole Matrix moment. And I was like, okay, I can either like hop the curb, get in the other lane, or back out. And so I backed out. It was very scary. There was actually someone following me too, like purposely following me because we were going to the same place. Holy that was scary. But did you die? No, we made it out. We're fine. We're okay. But yeah, it's been a very interesting day. And we're alive. We are alive. This is crazy. Like we have minimal space here to be in the bed. But like we're gonna make it work. See, he's already asleep, so I'm not even worried about him. Beautiful. But yeah, we're gonna go to bed now, so good night. Well, it's morning time and there's like this huge ass solar panel in here and I just had to poop in my van, in my bucket. That was fun. I don't think I could ever get into or out of that position and poop again if I wanted to. I'm actually quite proud of myself because, you know, it was on the bed, but I have to sleep on the bed. So V helped me move it in a feat of logistics and strength. I'm quite proud of the both of us for managing that. And yes, I still have a candle going because aesthetics, it's van life. You gotta romanticize the out of it. And what's this? Why, we have returned to Quartzsite, land of desert dwellers and snowbirds forever. And I have a special secret campsite here. Well, it's not really a secret, but it is special to me. I can't wait till the sunset because I know it's going to be good. So we're out in Dome Rock Campground BLM. A lot of people don't get service here, and so it doesn't really get that crowded, but you do get a really great overlook over Quartzsite. And you get to be tucked right up against the mountains, so the sunsets are absolutely glorious. So we set up camp and moved the solar panel out of the van.
Oh my God, my mother's leaving.
She's just moving the van, Soxy. It's really okay. She's just moving it.
No, I don't think she's leaving me.
She's not leaving you.
No, where's she going, Mom? Bob.
Way over there. Where it looks like all those white rocks are. Those are all campers, right? Along that line there. Those are all campers in the LTBA. And that's why we're over here. Because, like, no, we don't want to be around that many people. Oh, my God. Ew. It's not super level out here to park. We're trying to find the right spot. So we're moving inch by inch. Because she wants to be able to see the sunset. Did we find the right spot? Nope. That's not the spot. Go this way. That's not the spot either. That might be the spot. Is that the spot? That's not the spot. Is it this? Nope, that's not it. That might be it. Wait for it. Wait. I don't know. This might take a while, folks. We might be here all week. This is not the spot either. Okay, now we gotta get out and make sure the van's level. Yay, we found the spot. Woohoo!
Human, release me from my bounds, for the dog is near me and I don't like it.
You won't play with my ball, cat? Play with my ball, me.
Your time will come, doggo, and I will attack.
Mom, is she gonna play with the ball, me?
Go get your ball.
I'm afraid of her. She's trying to hit me.
Soxy, be nice.
No.
Look at her face.
I hate him.
Come here, Sparrow. I'll play with you.
Oh, no, we went near her. I'm afraid of her, Mom.
You gotta go get it, Sparrow. Go get it.
She's gonna beat me.
So, nope, that's not the spot. She's gonna come around. I think we're gonna go right here. Right there. And those rocks. You know, because we're perfectionists here. We do what we want. It's a beautiful spot, isn't it, guys? Look at that view. What is that beauty? It's so pretty. Where's she going?
Mom, is she coming
I
back?
don't know. We'll figure it out. Just like we thought, the sunset is amazing. Well, that was a pretty spectacular ending to a pretty spectacular day. And the next morning, making some tea and outside. The sunrise. That's pretty perfect. The whole vibe this morning is flames, flickering light, and cute puppy dogs in a big fluffy bed. Who's that? I think Mia's awake.
Oh, Mama, I gotta go see. Maybe I'll play with my cat friend.
What are you doing? You have to poop? You already pooped today. Twice. Too cold to be outside. It's just very chilly and it's a little bit windy and it's just cold, so no. But we've got this going on right now. Oh, coziness. Super cozy. You okay? You just want to be on Mommy's lap, huh? Is that what's happening? You're so good, Sparrow Dog. You are a good boy. Meanwhile, outside the van, there's someone parasailing right over Dome Rock BLM land. That looks hella fun. I want to go over this peak. Right there, there's something hovering in the sky. And it's not moving, and I can't zoom in anymore. But it's been there for a couple days. I think it's a blimp, because that's Yuma proving ground over there, but it has not moved. It has not moved. And then the sunsets just kept getting better and better. What? This beautiful, majestic mountain. It doesn't even look real. And just when you think it can't get any better, the sun sets a little bit deeper and the colors get just a little bit richer. Oh, and by the way, she found her spot. I know it's not the same as being here in person, but these sunsets are something to be shared and cherished. I hope this does it justice for you. Cozy time in the van. I should make some tea. We got the little buddy on. You can hear Sparrow eating. Yeah, it's cozy time. I'm in bed. I'm going to stay here for the rest of the night. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next video where I take you on a little tour of some really neat places in Quartzsite, and I dig right back in to building the van.